Hi guys, welcome to HS Academy. Hope all are doing well. So guys, actually I have one question. What is the difference between fire triangle and fire tetrahedron? And as you know that multiple times I have asked this question to many professionals at multiple meetings, at multiple conferences, but there is one shocking point. The point is that the 90% of them professionals were unable to give the answer of that question. What is that? 90% of the professionals are unable to give the answer of that question. The question is like that, sir, what is the difference between fire triangle and fire tetrahedron? Okay, so I'll give you the answer also, and what was the wrong answer of that. It means whatever the answer they have given, the professionals they have given, I will share that also, and what is the actual difference that exists in between of them. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, first of all, fire triangle and fire tetrahedron. Let's go to the wrong answer first of all, which was given by a lot of professionals. Maybe you are also with that answer. So let's rectify first of all that. Okay, so generally what people say is, when we ask them what is the difference between fire triangle, that is your FT, and fire tetrahedron, FTH. Okay, so what they told is, fire triangle have three sides. Fire triangle represent three sides of a fire, and the other hand, fire tetrahedron is representing four sides. That is the common difference. But guys, as a safety professional, as a fire and safety professionals, you have done 3 years degree, 1 year diploma, 4 years BTech. That is not a correct answer. Why? Means if I take one guy from a mechanical engineering or from a normal background, he can also tell us, sir, 3 sides are there and 4 sides is there. That is the difference. Okay, no. So you need to give some different answer from that. So I'll tell you now correct answer. What is the actual correct answer of that? See guys, fire triangle. What is that? Fire triangle is a diagram which represents 3 sides or 3 elements which are required to initiate the fire. What is that? Initiate the fire. Initiate matlab start. Initiate means starting. If you want to start the fire, you need these 3 elements: heat, fuel, oxygen. These 3 elements need to be present in a sufficient ratio. What is that? In a sufficient ratio they need to be present to start a fire, not to continue, to start just. But now there is one problem. There is one problem. Problem is like that, when a fire is started, for example, just consider that is a matchstick. Okay, if fire is started here, fire needs to be continued, because if we want to utilize the fire for a good purpose, okay, then fire need to be continued. For example, I want to cook the sambar. Okay, so what do you think? If that fire ignite for 1 second, can I cook the sambar? No, it should be for at least 10 to 15 minutes or 1.5 hour. Okay, in order to cook something or in order to take some benefits from that fire. So at that time when we talk about the fire continuation, what is that? Fire continuation. At that time we need to move that second diagram, that is called fire tetrahedron. What is that? Fire tetrahedron. So at that time what fire tetrahedron shows to us is, if you want to continue the fire, okay, at that time this particular fire tetrahedron represents 4 major elements: heat, fuel, oxygen, and chemical chain reaction, which are required to continue the fire. What is that? Continue the fire. Okay, so that is the basic difference. If you want to start the fire, you need 3 elements: heat, fuel, oxygen. That is represented by a fire triangle. What is that? Fire triangle. Or if you want to continue the fire, okay, for a good purpose, for a just productive purpose, at that time you need to go to the fire tetrahedron diagram, because it is showing us 4 elements that will be required to continue the fire. Okay, so I hope guys this particular doubt was clear to you. Okay, now if someone asks to you in the future that what is the difference between fire triangle and fire tetrahedron, kindly don't say your old answer. That was the new answer and correct answers. Okay, so guys, this was the end of this video. I hope you like that answer and like that content. If you like that, you can subscribe to this channel and like this video and share this video. So meet you in the next video. Till then, take care guys.